Welcome back to part 3 of deconstructing my French chair. I am on to the upholstery part using a staple gun. And if you haven't seen part 2, I did start doing the upholstery in that one, but I will leave part 1 and part 2 at the end of this video. Where I left you last time, I'd cut to do the arms, the fabric, I'd cut it there, and I've done one corner. I've had to do a couple of pleats. You have to remember this is my first time doing this. I'll show you what I did for that one on the other side. On the other side, I grabbed this bit and just tucked it in like that and stapled it, pulling it as tight as I can. And then I just carry on stapling along there.
Early blue morning, when everything's cold.
And this is the tricky part, is the pleat. I'm no professional, but it will be tidied up. Now I'm going to do the back. And all this bit here will get tighter and tighter as I pull it into the back. I'm just gonna try and pull it as tight as I can. Because I have got this top bit in already, it's making it a bit awkward for this bit. But here's the post on the back of the chair. And I'm going to do the same thing and cut it. Oh, I'm a bit nervous about this one. It's quite a lot of fabric to cut.
I dance all alone there. I try to be seen. Then there's a feeling, you know what I mean. I let it all go.
Okay, I'm just gonna fold that like that. Oh. Push the stuffing back in. Oh, knock over the camera. Not gonna be perfect, but it's okay. I can live with not perfect.
No smoke in my eye. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always in you, in the back of my mind. It's always been you.
Okay, I probably need to put one more staple on this front bit, but I'm going to do that and then I'm going to start trimming it.
The more that I've tried, all the years that
Trimmed the top on the other side. It's not perfect, guys. You know, I just want you to think of this as probably not a tutorial, just a learning process for my mistakes. I probably underestimated how tricky it is for the first time.
out the window, no smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind.
So here's the original tie, and my thinking was I don't have to put any trim along where the staples are there because this will hide it, hopefully. I don't know, I've never seen anybody use an apron to upholster, but I just thought it was quite a good idea. You know, the back's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's a bit of whimsy. I don't even mind the bits of straw hanging out. Okay, let's turn our attention to the front again. Home straight, guys. I've just done a bit of gluing at the top I'll show you that soon. So I'm reusing the trim because I don't have any. I was trying to think what I could use for the trim. I quite like that it's got a bit of the gold showing through, and yeah. So I'll show you how I've been gluing that on. I don't know about you, but I've been burning my fingers with a hot glue gun. Oh, I just burnt my fingers. Goodness gracious me. Just cover up those staples. I mean, this trim is not in perfect condition because when I was taking it off, I was not intending to save it, but I quite like that.
You know what I mean. I let it all go.
So I'll carry on doing this and then I'll show you. So it's about 16 hours after that last clip you just saw. It is done. Oh my goodness, guys. I had a sleepless night. At about 1 AM I thought I'm going to change it. I don't like it. And then when I woke up this morning I thought, why are you being so silly, Terri? It's actually quite cool. It's just a little bit different. There's a few faults because I am not a professional upholsterer. I'd like to be though. Joking, but I really enjoyed the process. I just wish I knew what I was doing. But thank goodness for YouTube videos. So let me break it down. I reused the trim, as you saw. I roughly cut the edge around the side because I wanted it to match how I had made it, like a rough raw edge around the top.
Trying to find it.
This side I just probably have to spend some more time trying to get that a little bit straighter. This side's quite good, and I kind of wish I'd taken off that old bit of topping. It's not the best on. I don't mind that the straw is hanging out still. You might be thinking, why is the straw hanging out still? But I actually quite like it. I really like the distressing on the actual chair.
In the back of my mind. Early blue morning.
So let's talk about the back. I did leave it in the condition that happened when I accidentally made the holes when I took the chair apart. But that's okay, I really like that. The thing that I was losing the sleep about was the bow, and it's not necessarily the tidiest along here. Like, I probably have to glue that a bit better. The bow was really bothering me in the respect that shouldn't it be on a chair that's got more overhang of fabric? Like my dining room chairs.
Smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind.
Like it was only like that issue basically. But you know, so if you look around here, it's not the best, but I'm not going to be too hard on myself. It was my first time ever doing it. I really do love the fabric and the tone of the chair. It just looks really good in my house. Let me know what you think about the bow, guys. I'd be quite interested.
Try to be seen.
So thanks for watching the 3 videos. I love the chair. I'm really happy to have it in my house. Let me know if you like it, guys.
I let it all